Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol MNK. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So this here may look like several days worth of time. It's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out some levels of support and resistance very straightforward. And going into next week, not the greatest way to end the week, although to give some credit where credit's due, the price at least showed some signs of strength in the sense of it was finally able to go sideways. And I get it, that sounds kind of anticlimactic. Wait, you're saying that just simply going sideways with bullish? And yeah, I do understand your point of view, but let's keep things in perspective here. Before it was going sideways, I mean, the price was just getting absolutely wrecked. So yeah, in this situation, given the context, sideways price movement, by no means does that guarantee this is the bottom, but it's at least logical right now and rational to question that, hey, maybe this is some sort of bottom. So we'll have to see if that's going to be the case or not. But that is also what segues into a very, very important level going into next week, and that is right here at $2.45. 245 is not some sort of great discovery on my part, so I don't want to come across like this is some sort of revolutionary skill on my part. No, I assure you, anybody that uses charts, understands charts, is watching that level and wondering, whether or not this is going to hold as support. And I bring all that up because when a lot of eyeballs are watching the same level and wondering the same thing, call it a self-fulfilling prophecy, call it whatever you want, it can produce some very dynamic price movements, and that's what 245 is definitely representing going forward. So you have, like I said, lots of people watching that, including the shorts, because if the price goes down there and then cracks down through there, then you shorts are going to be all over that again with a potential continuation of the overall downtrend. So 245, very, very important level. As far as a big picture point of view, reference point, in terms of resistance levels, keep an eye on that purple line there, the 50-period moving average. I get it. That doesn't seem like a good reference point given the price is way down here and that line is way up there. But keyword there being moving. So as next week plays out, that line is going to move itself further and further downwards and get more and more relevant. So like I said, keep an eye on that overall from the big picture reference point. But as of right now, yeah, definitely a question and a logical question of, is this some sort of bottom? And if it is, then step number one is just going to simply be staying up above 245. So let's see if the price can get that job done or not next week. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.